Welcome to At Home with Music. I'm Leo Nogin. Confucius say, it does not matter how slowly you go, as long as you do not stop. I wanted to expand a little bit on something that I said in my previous video where I talked about taking your time, that learning the piano is a lifelong journey. You know, we live in a world that glorifies speed, fast results, quick wins, instant progress. 5 steps to becoming a master. In reality, real, meaningful growth, especially in something as deep and expressive as music, that rarely happens in a straight line. You're going to have days where you feel like you're making a lot of progress, and then you're going to have days where you feel like you're treading water, like you're not really getting anywhere. I know this from experience, my friends, because I've been a musician for a long time. And Confucius is reminding us here that persistence is far more important than pace. This quote from Confucius, it speaks to the quiet power of consistency. It encourages us to honor the process, even when it feels like progress is crawling. That can be very frustrating, I know. But I wanted to encourage you because every small step, no matter how slow, is still forward motion. You may feel like a musical turtle, but you are still moving forward. And so what really matters isn't how fast you get there. What really matters is that you keep going. So what does this mean for you as somebody who wants to learn piano or keyboard, just wants to learn more about music? Whether you're learning a new chord, or you're struggling to figure out those jazz chords or a jazz rhythm, or you're reading a lead sheet and trying to figure out a way to play one of your favorite songs, remember that it's okay to take your time. In fact, it's necessary that you take your time. If you practice for 15 to 30 minutes every day, that's powerful. That's progress. What counts is that you show up, and yet you don't stop. When I started learning piano, I practiced every day except Sunday. I took Sundays off. But think about this. Every note that you play is a brick in the foundation of your musicianship. Some days are going to be smooth. Other days are going to feel like a struggle. But if you keep going, even slowly, you are doing exactly what you need to do to become the player you're meant to be. So don't get discouraged. Show up every day. Some days you'll really feel like showing up. You'll be happy that you did, and you'll feel energized and confident. Other days you're not going to feel like it, but I encourage you, show up anyway. Spend that 15 to 30 minutes every day playing your favorite songs, practicing some technical exercises, reviewing some music theory. Do whatever you need to do to become the player that you're meant to be. I know you can do this. So I just wanted to offer that word of encouragement. Don't worry about how fast you're going. Just be concerned that you keep going. And if there's anything I can do to help you keep going, let me know in the comments. So thanks for watching. I look forward to sharing a lot more with you in future videos here at Home with Music. If you'd like to support my work, you can go to my Patreon page. The link is in the description. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video. All that stuff helps the channel a lot. I appreciate all of you who have recently subscribed. It really helps the channel, and I appreciate it. Thanks again, and I look forward to speaking to you in the next one.